What is up, guys? Well, welcome on back to TK's Garage, and evidently my new purchase is out front. We're gonna go check it out. I just bought a 2020 Chevy Silverado that supposedly doesn't run. Now, I went over it extensively and I already know what's wrong with it, why it doesn't run. It is a flood damage vehicle from a I guess a fleet. I'm assuming it's a rental truck. I'll know more when I get more into it and go over the previous owner paperwork when I grab the title and all that good stuff from the office. But anyways, welcome back to TK's Garage. Roll that intro and let's get into it. There she is. Whew. Not too terrible. It has a couple nicks and dings we'll go over here in a minute. Now this is supposedly a flood vehicle. Now when we look here on the side, you can see the bed back here is bent out a little bit. This is torn. Ding right there. The hood is open. Okay. A little bit of scuff and damaging right there. Scuff and damaging right here. Ooh, that's in the paint. Right here, along the back of the bed. This is deformed right here, like it's dented. Yeah, it is. All right, what about the back? Pretty much the same. It's got a door liner in it. That's not bad. It's got to be an aftermarket option. Alrighty. Well, let me go get the paperwork and then we'll take a look at the inside and see if I can get her running. Well, we got keys, so this means this is not a keyless start vehicle. So let's open her up and see what the deal is. All right, 55, almost 56,000 miles on her. Oh, it went away already? There it is. No. Hey. Okay. Well, she's been idling for 535 hours. Oof. That's a lot of idling. All right. Let's see if she'll start. All right, we get power. And nothing. All right, so I have an idea what this is, but let me check under the hood first. We'll check the battery and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so looking under the hood, we have a 5.3 liter V8, and this takes that crappy 1234YF. Oh my God, that sucks. All right, just gonna check and make sure there's no water in the oil. Doesn't look like it. Oil looks a little dirty though, but it looks passable for now. Uh-oh, do you not want to go back in the hole? Oh, that would be so my luck right now. All right, battery definitely has charge. And so there's a couple things I check on these gems: Tahoes, Suburbans, Silverados, anything with the 5.3. This right here, I'll either wiggle this right here, right, make sure that that's nice and tight. There's another one right here, right? I just heard a little click noise inside the vehicle. Sometimes they can get jostled during driving. There is some trash and stuff in here I'm gonna have to get out. And then the last one, there's a wire connection in here that goes up to the, it's for the security system. I'm gonna have to cut this off here for a second and see if that's connected, and then we'll see if she starts. All right. We got that done. Oh, let's see if we got any joy, huh? No joy or joy? What do you guys think? 3. Now this is a non-runner, supposedly non-runner. All right, here we go. Nothing. Alrighty. Let me check one more thing. Let me go over a couple more things and see if I can figure this out really quick, and then we'll jump back in. All right, about 45 minutes later, I think I figured it out. 3, 2, 1. She runs. Now this is supposed to be a ooh, the AC. Ooh, it's dusty coming out of there. This is supposed to be a non-running Silverado. So you know what we got to do with it next, right? Now we got to see. Now we got to see if it's going to make it home. So we're going to drive it. I'm going to see how she runs and see if I can get it back. All right, guys. So first things first that I know, Apple CarPlay works. The AC is working in here. And we're going to hit the road and see if she drives. She's a little shaky on the throttle. If you're watching my tack, you'll see it. Might have some bad gas. And she is kind of low on gas. So this thing evidently belonged to National Car Rental. Now, I haven't seen any of those out here in Las Vegas, but it evidently was part of a National Car Rental fleet in California. So very interesting. I didn't know that they rented out four-wheel drive. Like, this is basically like a work truck. I mean, cloth seats, nothing special. I mean, it's just a work truck. I mean, this, I guess, is nice. Is that leather? I don't know. This reminds me of my my diesel Silverado. You guys remember one of the things when I really started getting into TK's Garage, when we changed the channel from Beamer Man to TK's Garage, I had this, I went and purchased a 2020 Chevy Silverado diesel, the 3.0 liter diesel, which I probably dodged a bullet on that because those trucks have been a nightmare for people with the belt on the back of the engine and all kinds of other crap. Like, no. But this one seems to be driving fine. She's aligned pretty straight. I say that as I had to push her over a little bit. Gonna get some good gas into it. We'll put some good 91 octane in it here in a little bit, and we'll keep driving it. But so far, this looks like a decent pickup. And let's talk a little bit about numbers and how much it was. So this was not open to the public. It was dealer only. Like a lot of the good deals that you're gonna get out here are. Damn, my hair looks like a disaster. I'm a hot mess. This one was picked up for $6,300 after fees and everything else. I'm right at $7 grand, maybe a little bit over $7 grand, but let's just say for the purpose of this video, $7,000. Weird. It's like a cop. Sorry, I was distracted there for a second. There was a cop on the side of the road in like a Tahoe or whatever, had his lights on, like in the middle of the lane, and I was trying to figure out, like, are you lighting me up? Because, you know, I don't have any legitimate tags. And no, I didn't bring a dealer plate. Here's the thing. I have a Kansas dealer plate for being a wholesaler. I just never carry it. I have a picture of it on my phone. And that has worked for me in the past when I get stopped. I normally don't drive stupid. I usually take these straight to the house, and then I get them tagged the next day. So no issues there. All right, let's get out here. And I'm in like the worst area you could possibly be in, which is Henderson. The cops will bust your balls about pretty much anything out here. So, and oh, well, I guess the seatbelt thingy works, huh? But let's talk about it. So $7 grand all in. Now this is a 2020, all right? Now, I'll let you look up online how much one of these are worth, all right? Now, this is just an LT with cloth seats. It does have the center console that does fold up, so you have the bench seat up front and the bench seat in the rear, storage and stuff under the rear seat. I don't know if this is a long bed, but it is a full quad cab. So I'm going to guess, like, worst case scenario, this truck's probably worth about $25,000. Also, again, and this is a thing that I've seen a lot, not just here, but depending on the insurance company, it really depends on the insurance company that runs it through the auction. This is also a clean title. Now, it does have a flood designation on it, and when I do sell it, I will have to disclose that it was flooded, unless I run it through the auction. Like, if I run this thing through Manheim or something else, I don't have to disclose shit. Everything is on the title. I submit the paperwork, they run it through, and I get what I get. And that might be what I do with this one. I might want to give you guys an experience of what it's like to sell a car at auction. Or, you know, I also thought, like, well, we know it runs now, right? I could immediately take this to another salvage auction place and sell it, or I could run it back through IAA and sell it that way and see what IAA can bring me for a running 2020 Chevy Silverado with a clean title. I don't know. We'll see. I'll let you guys comment in the comment section down below, and you guys can tell me what you guys think. So far, this thing is running just fine. So we're going to get this thing back to the house, and because it's going to get dark here shortly. It's like 4:20 in the afternoon. I'm in Vegas and it's 4:20. It's 4:20 in the afternoon. I want to get back before it gets dark. I don't like leaving the BMW out there like that. So we'll get this thing back and we'll get an Uber. We'll go pick up the BMW, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. But so far, this thing looks like it's, I hate when people do this. They sit on your quarter panel. Ooh, she slipped. Slip through the gears on that. I didn't like that at all. Damn. Either that or it just didn't catch a gear. I don't know. Did you hear that? She spooled all the way up and didn't go nowhere. I guess I should check four-wheel drive and stuff here in a minute too. We'll do that when we stop. Damn, man, I didn't bring my sunglasses. Left them in the fucking car. Shit. I do have my hat though, but it was hot. This AC blows cold as shit though. So that's a win. So overall, it's handling pretty good, except for when I punched it on that. See how the RPMs go all the way up, and she ain't going nowhere. The speed is not drastically jumping. It's like it doesn't want to go anywhere. Huh. Could be something with the torque converter. Is this thing, well, I wonder what speed, how many gears this thing has. Alright, so there's 5, 6, 7. Ah, shit, this has that 8-speed transmission. Yeah, I'll be selling this ASAP. Alright, so I like the 6L80E. Okay, like I had in the Black Mamba and its predecessor. Both of the Tahoes, the Z71 and the LS Black Mamba. They had that 6L80E transmission. I don't like the 8-speed. And the reason why, I'll tell you why I don't like the 8-speed. I don't like the 8-speed because I think this is the same transmission that they also used in the Camaro, the SS, and a couple other ones that had fucking nightmare problems. And that, where it slips like that, when I'm getting on the throttle hard, is a prime example. I need my vehicle to be able to go. When I hit the gas, this is a big V8, I should be able to be like, and it's all that noise, all that throttle, and she ain't going nowhere. Now, it is a V8. We confirmed that 5.3 on the sticker under the hood, but she is getting insane gas mileage, evidently. 23.1 on average, and 43.7. Oh, she's a little hoppy, too. I don't know if you guys can see it because the camera's very stabilized, but I'm getting this, which means I might have a bad tire, or something might be bad in the suspension, or the road is really just bouncy. I don't remember 215 being bouncy like this, though. We'll have to see what happens. Anyways, let me focus on driving here, being that we're in this bumper-to-bumper crap, and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so we got good news. The truck made it. I'm about 2 blocks from where I need to be at. So we're going to get this thing in. I'm going to do an oil change, definitely. I know it's been sitting in, even though the oil dipstick looked good. Still going to do an oil change because that oil looked nasty. Check the battery, but I think the battery's probably good. But we are out here in the desert, so a battery lasts like 1.5 years, maybe 2 years out here. So we'll check that. And then I'm going to give her a good cleaning, maybe a nice little car wash, and, you know, get all the dust and stuff out from the inside of the cab and throw these cups and other crap away that are in here. And then we'll clean her up, and then we'll do a follow-up video. You guys let me know what we should do with it in the comments. Should I run it through like Manheim? Should I private party sale it? By the way, it is for sale, so if you know somebody that wants one, it's got 55,935 miles on it at the recording of this video. It'll probably have like 65 on it by the time I sell it, because you know I'm gonna drive this damn thing everywhere. It's nice to have it to be up in a truck. I'm not gonna lie, man. After getting rid of, you know, we gave away the first Black Mamba. I bought the Z71 Black Mamba, and then selling that one to the dealer in OKC. This is so much nicer. Now I know the ride, people will be like, "But TK, you're bouncing around and stuff." It's just so much nicer to. I got so much room in here. You know what I'm saying? So much room in here. But yeah, there's some stuff we got to get rid of in here. There's like a trash can or something in the back seat, and some other miscellaneous cups and whatever. We'll get this stuff out of here, get this thing cleaned up, and then we'll see what it's worth. I think it's. I'm tempted. I'm tempted to take it to a Chevy dealer and see what they offer me for it. I think that would be a cool video. Maybe we take it to CarMax and we'll see what CarMax offers me for it. Damn, I'm snitching on myself at my new house, right? Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys very much for watching. We got another W, baby. W. Alright guys, so just a quick update. Yes, I'm in the truck again. It is still running. It is still driving. It has been great for the last 30-something hours. What do you guys think about a members-only giveaway, or like a comment giveaway? Like I might do like a thanks giveaway, because that's a new thing on YouTube now. You can do like do a comment and put $1 on it. I'm thinking maybe we do that, and then we just pick one comment. If that's something that you guys think would be cool, let me know, because I'm willing to bet I probably could make my money back just in that alone, and someone could get a really cool truck. Let me know.